Okay, today we will study about merge statement. Merge statement is used to combine both the tables in order to insert, delete and update the statements using one statement. Okay, what are the uses of merge statement? At a time we can insert, delete and update the statements. It allows us to perform insert, delete and update in just one statement. Okay, we'll check it out today. Merge statement. Merge statement is the combination of insert, delete and update statements. It allows us to perform insert, delete and update in just one statement. It is clear, ma'am, what is the use of merge statement? What is the use of merge statement?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, here we does not require multiple statements to perform insert, update and delete commands. To perform merge statement, we require two tables, one source table and one is destination or target table. Okay, we will create two tables, one source table and one target table. This happy folder, let us go to the tables, right click, select new table. Okay, two tables we will create by the name source and destination. Okay, we'll add the columns in that. Then again we'll perform the merge statement. Is it clear?
Yes, yes.
Okay, one table we will add here, employee ID. What is the data type of employee ID? Int.
Teacher.
Okay, then next e-name.
And worker.
Yeah, n worker. Don't allow null values. Next e-salary. What will be the e-salary?
Integer. Int.
Yeah, integer. We can take int or float also. No problem, we'll take int. Okay, the next e-age. E-age is of
Integer.
integer data type. Don't allow null values. The next e-gender. E-gender is of
And worker.
n worker. Don't allow nulls. Then e-department.
And worker. Don't.
Yeah, n worker. Don't allow nulls. Next, how to save this table? How we will save this table?
By right clicking on the tab.
Yeah, this is the one way. Another way,
F5.
Control S. Okay.
Control S or F5.
Okay. EMP underscore source. Okay. This is the employee
Source table
source
1.
table.
source, target
EMP
data
source.
source. Okay.
Okay, just refresh here. Go to databases, refresh it. Then expand this happy database. Then tables. EMP source table is created here. One more destination table we will create. New table. Same columns will add. Employee ID, data type, int, don't allow nulls. Then ename and varchar, don't allow null values. After ename, eSalary, eSalaries of int type, don't allow nulls. Then next age of the employee, that is of int type, don't allow null values. Then next gender is of n varchar.
And where
Then next department is also of data type n varchar. Then control S, save this table as employee
target.
and click on OK. Two tables by the name employee source and employee target are created. Next, what we need to do? Next, we need to insert the values into the
That
table. Okay, just right click, edit top 200 rows. Okay, first one, Sam, salary is 23,000, age is 18 years, gender is male, department is CSC. Then second, salary is 24,000, age is 20 years, male, IT. Then third row is Rita, salary is 25,000, age is 21, female, ECE. Then fourth one is Sana, salary is 23,000. Okay, age is 22, female, triple E. The next 5, Meena, salary is 26,000, 23, female, CSC. Total 8 records will add. Okay, next name is Yash, salary is 27,000, age is 24, 25, anything it's okay, male, IT. And roll number 7, employee ID 7, Raj, salary is 29,000, age is 27, male, ECE. 8th one, Rohit, The salary is 32,000, 29 years old, male, then triple. Next, what we need to do? Just Control S, select one new query, select star from employee source table, source, semicolon, hit on execute. So what we did, we have inserted the data into source table. Next, we have to insert the data into target table. Just select the table, right click, edit, top 200 rows. Here first, salary is 20,000, age is 23, gender is male, department is CSC. 2, Ram, salary is 30,000, age is 24, gender is male. Then IT, he belongs to IT department. Then Rita salary is 22,000. Her age is 26. She is a female. She belongs to ECE department. Then next, 4, Sana. Her salary is 25,000. Her age is 27. She is a female. She belongs to Triply. Then 5th one, Anu. Anu salary is 21,000. Her age is 26. She is a female. She belongs to CSC department. The next one is Aryan. His salary is 25,000. He is of 23 years old. He is male. His department is IT. Next, we'll save the data. Control S. One more new query window will open. Select star from employee target. Put a semicolon here. Hit on execute button. See, these are the employees present in the employee table, employee target table. Next, we will check the syntax of merge statement. Is it clear till here, my everyone? Any doubts what we have did here?
No, ma'am. Clear, clear.
Others, any doubt, ma? We'll check the syntax, okay? Syntax of merge statement. Syntax. Okay, first merge target. Target as T. Merge target as T. Then using using source as yes. The next on join condition, then when matched, when matched, then update statement. Okay, when the rows are matched, then it will update. It will perform the update statement. When not matched by target, then perform the insert statement. Insert statement. The next, when not matched by source, then delete. So this is the syntax. Then delete the statement. All the three statements we are performing in one command, one merge command. Let us see practically. Syntax is clear, my everyone? Any doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we'll check practically how to perform the merge statement. We'll take one new query. Here we'll type it as syntax merge. What is the target table name here?
Employee target
EMP
unders-
underscore
underscore target.
the next as. Okay, see here, merge target as T, as T. The next
Use
is using source, using, what is the source table name here?
EMP underscore source
EMP underscore
as this.
source. Yeah, very good. Source as yes.
Yes.
The next
Where
when matched, when
when
matched. If it is matched, what we need to do? When matched,
then
then
join.
update. Then update the statement. Then update. Set. Update the salary column. T dot employee salary. If the rows are matched, then it will update the salary. S dot e salary. Okay. Then comma. Next.
When matched.
T age also. Okay.
When not
For
matched.
condition. T e age is equals to S age. When not matched, When
Then
not matched,
insert
when not matched by target, then insert employee ID, comma, employee name. We are specifying the rows here. Then employee salary, comma, age, comma,
e-gender,
e-gender, comma, e-department.
e-
Values, okay. Yes dot employee ID. These are the source values. If it is not matched, then source values will be inserted into target table. Yes dot e-name. The next yes dot
salary,
e-salary. Equal number of columns it should contain both the tables. E-age, yes dot e-age, yes dot e-gender, the next yes dot
e-department.
e-department. Then press enter. When not matched by the source. When not matched by source, then delete. Not matched by the source, then perform the delete statement. Put a semicolon here, then hit on execute. Incorrect syntax here. When is capital, till that small. Merge employee table as tree when matched. Okay. On table name should have to write here. On t dot employee ID is equal to source employee ID, target employee ID and source employee ID. Okay, then hit on execute. Okay, see 8 rows are affected. We'll select one more new query. Then how to select the result? How to display the result? Select using select statement. Select star.
Start from
Target table name is
EMP.
target. Just execute. Okay. First target table before this is the target table. So what are the changes are there? We need to look here. See, first in target table, how many rows are there?
Only 5.
Only 5. Here
8.
8 rows are there. This is the one change. Then what is the second change?
Salary.
Salaries have been changed. See, first here Sam's salary is 20,000. Now here the salary is incremented to 23,000. Then Ram's salary is 24,000. Previously it was 30,000.
30,000.
Then Rita's salary is
Age,
25,000. Previously her salary
age
was
to
22. Age, Sam age is 18 years. Before it was 23 years.
20.
Okay, you can observe the changes here. We'll copy this. Is it clear about merge statement, everyone? Control A,
Yes, sir.
Control C. This is the syntax. We'll copy the example. Control V. Any doubts, anyone, about the merge statement? You can clearly see the changes. Yes or no? Clearly
Yes.
see the changes. Then next topic is types of user defined functions. Types of user defined functions. Types of user defined functions. Okay, there are two types of user defined functions. One is scalar valued, second one is table valued. First one is scalar valued function. Second one is table valued function. Okay, first let us check scalar valued function. Okay, what is the use of scalar valued function? Scalar valued function always return a scalar value. Okay, it can be int, varchar, date, and so on. Only one single scalar value it will return. Scalar valued function always returns a scalar value. What is the meaning of scalar value? It can be int, varchar, date, and so on. It can be int, varchar, and date, so on. Okay, let us check the syntax of scalar function, scalar valued function. Syntax: create function, function name. Create function name. Then here parameters and data type. At the rate parameter 1, then data type of that parameter. data type, comma, @ parameter 2, then data type. So on. How many parameters are required? That many we can include. The next, return statement. Returns return data type. Return data type as begin, function body, here we can include the function body, then return value end. So this is the syntax. Return value, then end. Okay, let us check with an example. Just will delete this. Okay, create function name, function name. So here function name we will take it as add 10. So here function name is add 10. Parameters are @number as int. So one parameter we are taking, returns int. So the return value is also int. It returns int. Then as begin, return @num plus 10. Then end. Okay, execute this. Command completed successfully. Take one new query here. Okay, the meeting will expire now. Again, I will start. Please join. Everyone should join now. What we have did here? We have created a function by the name. What is the name of the function here? What is the name of the function here? Add 10. Okay, this is the name of the function. Now let us check. Select dbo dot add 10, dbo add 10, then here parameter value 10. Then execute this. See, 10 plus 10, 20. Why? Because here we gave the value as 10. So @num value is 10. So 10 plus 10, the value is output is 20. Is it clear, everyone? Then if you change the value 100, then it will be 110. Why? Because @num value we are giving here. Is it clear, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. But with some other table, we can't check the
Yeah.
example.
Just it is a function. Here we are creating a function by the name add 10. Okay.
Yes.
This is a scalar valued function. They are user defined functions. Okay. These
Okay.
are user defined functions. Is it clear, ma? I'll copy this. Control A, Control C. We'll copy this example. For table, we'll use table valued function. This is scalar valued function.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
When we will use this function actually in real time?
Whenever if requirement is there, we can use. Okay. Mostly table valued function is used. This function is not used. Okay. Next we'll check.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, mostly table valued function is used. Just for understanding this. Where is the remaining? Then copy this. How to execute? Control A, Control C. Control V. So this is about scalar valued function. Next we'll check table valued function. Table valued function we can apply on tables. Table valued function. What is the use of table valued function? Table valued function returns a table. Table valued function returns a table. Returns a table as output. We'll check the syntax. Syntax. Create function name, then @ parameter 1, then data type, specify the data type of the parameter here, then @ parameter 2, data type, so on. Then next, returns table. Okay, returns the output as table as written select column list from table name. Where condition, okay, where condition, then close this bracket. Okay, let us check practically. This is the syntax. We'll go to this sample database, select star from employee. This is the employee table which you are using frequently. Let us check once. Okay, select star from employee. The next, is it clear, my syntax? For merge statement and these statements, the syntax is little bit big Don't worry, okay? If you practice once or twice, you can easily write the comments. Okay, table valued function. So what is the syntax here? How to create a function? How to create a table valued function? First, create, then next function name. So here function name is select gender. Function name is select gender. Here parameter is @gender as varchar. Varchar is what? Are you all listening to me?
Envarchar. Envarchar.
Varchar is
Character.
and varchar or varchar, no problem. Okay, gender data type. This is gender is a parameter. Its data type is varchar. This select gender is a function name. The next returns table. Returns table as return, then write a select statement here. Select star from employee where gender equals to @gender. Okay, select this, execute. Okay, let us check where somewhere the mistake is. Here we did not specify the characters. We need to specify the number of characters. Let us check once. Create function name parameter, returns table as return select star from employee. Okay, let us execute once again. Where is the mistake? Just find out. Create function.
S gender, we can give it underscore gender. Yes,
Yeah,
select
yeah,
gender is already
yeah.
there.
Okay. See, command completed successfully. Here function name was mismatching. So next what we need to do? A function by the name gender is created. The next select one new query. Here what we'll do? Select star from dbo dot sgender. Give the function name here. Then mail. Put a semicolon, hit on execute button. See, all the male employee details have been extracted in the form of table. So this is a table valued function. It is a user defined function. Okay. If you want to get the details of the female, just change this male to female. Then hit on execute. All the female employee details have been extracted. Is it clear one about table valued function? Just
Yes,
select
ma'am.
this Control A, Control C. We'll copy this example. Control V. Then Control A, Control C, Control V. Want the details of male employees? Just change the gender. Is it clear, everyone? Any doubt? How to create scalar valued functions and table valued functions? Mostly
Yes, yes.
table valued functions are used. The next, how to create a temporary table. How to create a temporary table? Create a temporary table, ma? Temporary tables. Next topic is temporary this color is. What is the use of temporary table? Temporary tables are created in temporary database and deleted as soon as session is terminated. Okay, they are very useful whenever we want to store some temporary data. Let us check once. Just go to this databases folder. I'll refresh this. Then expand system databases. See here, system databases, expand this. Then temporary databases. In this temporary databases, temporary tables will be stored. Okay, how to create this temporary databases? Create table, hash table name. Okay, this is the syntax. I'll write the syntax here. Temporary tables. Okay, temporary tables. Tables are created in temp.db. Okay, temporary tables are created in temp.db, temporary database, and deleted as soon as session is terminated. As soon as the session is terminated, these temporary tables get deleted. They are very useful whenever we want to store temporary data. They are very useful whenever we want to store temporary data. syntax, create table hash table name. So this is the difference. Create table hash table name. Okay, let us create one temporary table. Go to SQL Server. So what is the syntax my here? Create
table hash table name.
create table hash table name is student.
Table.
Student. Okay, here we are creating a temporary table by the name student.
Right.
Okay, column name student ID. We are specifying here student ID. Data type is
Integer,
int,
not
not null. Okay, don't allow null values. Then put a comma. Then student name
name. Envarchar,
means
not null.
envarchar, not null. Okay, then student class. We'll specify the class. Class is of
Envarchar,
envarchar.
not null. There on upside comma.
Yeah, sorry. Envarchar, not null. Put a comma. Close the bracket. A semicolon. Then hit execute. So command completed successfully. How to check? How to check, Nama?
Refresh databases.
Yes.
Temporary DB.
Refresh system databases, temporary databases, then temporary table.
Temporary table.
See, hash student. This is the temporary table is created. One more way. I'll copy this.
Select.
Control A. One
Select.
Control C.
Okay.
Copy this. Example. Control V. Okay, next, how to select one more way? We'll delete this. Select star from table name. What is the
DB
table name here? Select star from, what is the table name here? Hash
Student.
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 Student. Put a semicolon here. Hit on execute button. See, we did not add any rows to this student table. How to insert the rows?
Insert into.
Insert into table
Into.
name. Hash
Student.
hash student. Then where?
Open bracket.
Okay. Student ID,
SI.
comma,
Student name.
student name,
Comma student class. Values.
student class values. Need to specify the values here. What are the values? Student ID is 1. Name is in. Name is a string. Single quotes. Okay. Name is. Which name will give? Any name you can write. Okay. Okay. Then next class is also string. He is in 5th class. Then what we need to do? Put a semicolon here. Hit on execute button. Why it is showing the error? Okay, once again. All these will not specify. Student. Database we need to change, I think so. Okay. Temporary DB. It's okay if you want to add that all the column names, it will execute. What is the problem? Hash student is showing some error. String or binary data would be truncated in table. What is the error here? I'll check once. We'll try to check graphically. How to insert the data graphically?
Select the table, right click, and
Databases, temporary. First, it is not showing the option as for temporary data. Temporary database, we can't enter like this. Once again, we'll try insert into, what is the table name here? Hash student. So roll number is 1. Name is Raj. Class is class is 3rd class.
student after student, we have to mention the
Values.
student ID. Yes.
No. Simply if you write values,
Values.
it's okay. No problem.
Okay. Okay.
Insert into table values. Somewhere data type we took wrong, I think. Once again, we'll
String or binary, we must not take, I think so.
how to drop a
String or
table.
binary data would be good.
Yeah. How to drop a table, ma? Drop table.
Table,
Table name.
table name,
What is the
hash
table name?
student.
Hash student.
As a student,
Then click on execute. Command completed successfully. We'll create another table. Create table hash. Just now it worked. Previously I tried. Hash. Here emp will take table name. Then employee ID int. Employee name n varchar. Employee name is of 20 size. Then just create. One table is created. How to check this? Select star from, what is the table name?
Hash emp.
Okay. Just refresh this. Go to the systems, then temporary table is emp. Okay, hash emp. Then execute. Enter the values. Insert into hash
emp values.
emp values. This first one is int type. Let's put a semicolon here. Then hit on execute. You need to change the database. First we'll execute. One row is affected.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Then next we'll change this. Again add one row is affected. Then how to check again?
Select star from hash emp.
Select star from hash
emp.
And hit on execute. See, 3 rows are added. Is it clear ma how to create a temporary table in temporary database?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The table name is, your table name is what?
emp.
Then this is in we have to specify the size here, and we'll delete this comment. Then how to insert the values? Just say me how to insert. Insert
Into hash emp values.
insert into table name hash emp values. Then what are the values?
One and whatever name.
Whatever name is there. Okay, then next put a semicolon.
Semicolon.
How many rows you want to add? We can add. Control C, Control V. Control V. John. Then execute. How to check? How to display the output of the table? How to display the table as output? No? Select
star from
hash
emp.
emp. Okay. Is it clear how to create? How to drop? Drop is also there. Drop
table.
Drop a temporary table. Table. So what is the syntax?
Drop table name.
Syntax. Drop table hash. For temporary, we need to include hash table name. And put a semicolon. We'll drop this emp table now. drop table
-em.
#em. Then execute. Command completed successfully. Select star from #emp. So now it will execute all, it will throw the error.
It will throw the error
Why? Because
because
just now
we
we have
dropped it
deleted.
already.
Yeah, just now we have dropped the table. It will show the error. Invalid object type. Okay, ma, I will stop it here. I hope you understood
Okay.
today's class. Thanks for joining.
Yeah.
Okay, please take care. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma.